Hello, it's March 6th, 2026, reporting in on the unique weather conditions in Rochester, New York. It's kind of a mini ice storm. The unique weather conditions, beginning with rain last night and then freezing overnight, created another mini ice storm. Here you can see some of the plant life was frozen solid overnight. Here's some more of the ice that formed last night. And here's a close-up look of the grass. Now, living in Rochester most of my life, I've seen maybe 4 ice storms. So everyone be careful today. It's really icy and slippery out this morning. Have a wonderful day. Over and out.